5. The diameter of the Pullacart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. That is what is given in the problem. Diameter of the Pullacart wheel is there. Can you see the Pullacart wheel? Yes, it's a circular shape. That diameter means the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So it is passes through the center of the circles. Okay, that is D is equal to 1.4 meter. So how do you find this distance covered by it in 150 rotation? Is we are going to find the 1 rotation, then we are going to find the 150 rotation. Yes. Next, the diameter of the Pullacart wheel is equal D is equal to 1.4 meter. Distance covered in 1 rotation is equal to circumference. This the diameter is there. How do you find the circumference of the circle? That's using the formula 5D units. Instead of 5, you have to put it 22 by 7 into 1.4 meter is equal to 22. That is how many times 7 goes into 1.4 is a 0.2 times. 7 cut you have to put it 1. 1.4 cut it you have to put it 0.2. Then multiply by 22 into 0.2 is equal to 4.4 meter. Next, the distance covered in 1 rotation is equal to 4.4 meter. Next, the distance covered in 150 rotation is equal to 4.4 into 150. We have to multiply 6600. Then 1 decimal place is there. How to mark that? Mean after that from right to left we are mark 1 place from right to left only. After the decimal point 0 is there, there is no value for 0. Therefore distance covered in 150 rotation is equal to 660 meter. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to move on the exercise question number 6. A ground in the form of a circular circle whose diameter is 350 meter and athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. So what is given in the problem? With the circular form of a ground is there. The diameter is 350 meter. One athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. So how do you find it? First we are going to find out the one rotation. One rotation, how do you find that one? That is the circumference of the circle. Diameter is given. How do you find the circumference of the circle? Means 5D units. Next we are going to find out 4 revolutions. Okay, that is what distance diameter of the ground D is equal to 350 meter. Then distance covered in 1 revolution is equal to circumference of the circle is equal to 5D units is equal to 22 by 7 into 350 is equal to, how do you find that one? 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then 5, then after that you have to put 1 0, 50. 22 multiplied by 50 is equal to 1100 meter. Next, distance covered in 1 rotation is equal to 1100 meter. Then distance covered in 4 revolutions means number of meter multiplied by 4. 1100 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4400 meter. Next, question number 7. A wire of length is equal to 1300 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? What is given in the problem? Length of the wire is given. Length of the wire is equal to 1320 centimeter. Next, radius of each circular frame is equal to 7 centimeter. If the radius is given, how do you find the circumference of the circle? It's a 2 pi r units is a formula. Circumference of the frame is equal to 2 pi r units. 2 into, instead of pi, you have to put it 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter. This 7 in numerator, 1 7 is there, denominator 1 7 is there, get cancelled, 7 7 get cancelled, remaining number 2 into 22 is equal to 44 centimeter. Number of frames made is equal to length of wire divided by circumference of one frame. Is the length of the wire is equal to 1320 divided by 44 is equal to 30. Therefore 30 frames can be made. Next question, question number 8. A rose garden is in the form of a circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it of the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. This is what is given in this problem. The one garden is there, its shape is circle. The gardener wants to fence the garden. So how much? 1 meter is equal to 150 per meter. Cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to 150 meter. This to find the cost of fencing the garden. So how do you that find it? Radius of the garden is equal to 63 meter. How do you find the circumference? Radius is given means how do you find the circumference of the garden? Is equal to 2 pi r units. It's a 2 into pi. Instead of pi, you have to put it 22 by 7 into r is equal to 63. Then numerator 7 is the numerator 63 is there, denominator 7 only is there. Both the common factors is 7. So how many times 7 ones are 7? 63 how many times? 7 nines are 63. 63 cut, you have to put it 9. 2 into 22 into 9 is equal to 396 meter. Then cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to rupees 150. Cost of fencing for 396 meter is equal to number of meters multiplied by 150. Rupees 150 multiplied by 396 is equal to rupees 59,400. Therefore cost of fencing the garden is equal to rupees 59,400. Then can you understand, all of you, how do you find the circumference of the circle? The first one is the diameter is given means you have to find the what is the formula for circumference? 5d units. Radius is given means how do you find the circumference of the circle? Means 2 pi r unit. The two formulas we are going to use that one. Next we are going to move on the objective types. Question number 9. Formula used to find the circumference of the circle. This is the first one 2r units, second one pi r square plus 2r units, third one pi r square units, then pi r square cubic units. Is the circumference of the circle means 2 pi r units. The answer is what? 2 pi r units. Next question, in the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. R refers to what? Circumference, circle and rotation and radius. Yeah, or area. So how first one circumference, second one area, third one rotation and fourth one radius. So R refers to what? Radius. The answer is what? Radius. Question number 11. If the circumference of the circle is 82 pi, then the radius of R is 41 centimeter, 82 centimeter, 21 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Circumference of the circle is 82 pi. Then answer that, then the value of R is what? The answer is 41 centimeter. 41 centimeter. Next is question number 12. Circumference of a circle is always 3 times of its diameter, more than 3 times of its diameter, less than 3 times of its diameter, is a 3 times of its radius. That is answer is more than 3 times of its diameter. So this can you understand all of you? Is have a nice day. Thank you children. Tomorrow next class we are going to see about the exercise 2.2, that is the area of a circle. Thank you children. Have a nice day.